What a lovely day. Oh, wait. Lovely day. Oh, no. Oh, we're gonna need to be so close. Oh, wait, why is there lava here? I'm not even knowing. Oh, I forgot. Oh, no. What is here? Oh, no. No! Spawn. Oh, okay. Okay, there's a pulpy. I'm not going near. Not going near there. I'm going to go to my space. Oh, no. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Well, I'm not even gonna look at me. That's so lucky. Oh, wait. There's a witch. No one. Nope. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, please. No. Let's go. Did it. Woohoo. We're saved. Nana, boo boo. Where's me. Okay, we're in the snow. No! Look it back. No! You tricked me. Put me in play. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh no. Let's go. Now here. Go awesome wait. Oh, we have 2 minutes. Okay, we need 2 minutes away. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So, okay, we are here. My plane. Over here is back to the float. Wait, is that still playing one? No, we're not going there. That's still playing one. Oh, sorry. Wrong way. Finally in the city street, going in the internet, place in the city street. Oh my god, at the future. Let's do one. Finally we got out. Let's see, what's my room? B27. Okay, let's go to B27. Let's go in this floor. Oh look, here's my luggage. Here's, it's mine. Okay, we are in. And my pack, wait, these are my packs. Oh yes, this is my pack. This is where I left to. Let's go. Waiting in a minute. I was in the. Okay, it's Witty. Oh man, let's see. Oh wait, what's going on? Amazing. It's not amazing anymore. It's over. TNT. No. Take it aside. Wait, it's going crashing down? Oh no. No. Oh, wait, it's crashing down? Did it broke? Oh, I'm not gonna fall down. What am I gonna do? What? Oh man. Oh. We're not doing. Oh no, there's a fire going. A fire! There's a fire! We need to go to a safe place. Oh no, we don't want to jump. My package. No, please, no. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, were we here? Oh no. In addition to what I paid. So yeah. Oh no, go, run away. Oh no, where? Oh, what? Oh my gosh, we are back to the world. Oh no, we need to dip in. But I'm sorry, how hard I need to dip in. Oh my god. My goodness, Jesus. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? Wait, but I have my sword on me. Oh no. The end.